Welcome to this tutorial video. The goal of this video is to show you the setup and use of event template scheduling. Event template scheduling allows users to set up custom communication events using workflow event templates to schedule them to be sent out before or after the booking takes place or at a specific time, which will be triggered when the action takes place. The scheduling saves time and allows the patient to complete forms before they visit the practice and surveys after they have been to the practice. This also ensures that communication from the practice is automated. In this video, we will be discussing the implementation and use of the event template scheduling. Event template scheduling consists out of two parts. Part 1 is the setup of event template scheduling, and Part 2 is the use of booking events which has been set up. For more information on how to set up the booking event template, please refer to the Booking Event Template Setup User Manual linked in the video's description. For more information on how to set up a booking type, please refer to the Booking Type Setup User Manual linked in the video's description. And for more information on workflow event templates, please refer to the Workflow Event Templates User Manual linked in the video's description. Let's go over Part 2, using booking events. From the diary screen, make a booking for a patient on the diary. For an extensive explanation on how to make a booking, please refer to the user manual Book Existing Patient link in the video's description. When a booking has been made, the booking event templates that have been set up will go out automatically to the debtor or patient for who the booking was made on the scheduled date and time. Let us show you how to see what communication has been sent out to the debtor or patient. From the diary screen, click on the navigation wheel. Click on the Communication segment. Click on the Admin Event History tab. All the communication information will display on the Admin Event History screen. For more extensive explanation on how to check whether the communication was sent successfully, please refer to the user manual SMS, email, notebook history, admin link in the video's description.